Good evening, sports card world. Cody here again with Card Attractions. Like I said, we're gonna got some two blasters of some 2020 Diamond King. Looks like kind of excited about this. Yep, 2020 Diamond King. There's 7 packs per box. One blaster exclusive. Blue frame parallel per box on average. First autograph material cards. Look for 2020 rookies. So yeah, all kinds of different stuff in here, man. Like I said, we ain't gonna waste too much time. We can talk while we rip. We're gonna get right into these and see what we got. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video, man. So I've been trying to put out lots of content for you guys to watch different stuff. And I did pull 7 different Mike Trouts in the last rip. It was super awesome on the big league. Let's see what we got here. Alright, 5 cards per pack. There's not that many. Of course, these would be a little difficult to open. These must be really cool cards. There's 5 in a pack. Alright, here we go. Oh, well, would you look at that? I got Ryan Sandberg. Nice. Juan Soto. Super nice. Pete Rose. Artist proof. Nice. Got another Ryan Sandberg. I collect Ryan Sandberg, but Matt Chapman in the zone. That is a really, really nice card. Wow. I guess that whole pack was a keeper, all 5 cards. You'll never get that. Man, can you imagine if I pulled an auto out of this? That'd be super awesome. Let's see. Domingo Libra. Ozzie Smith. That's a rookie too. These are really cool. Ozzie Smith. Trey Mancini. Francisco. And who do we got here? Bryce Harper. Super nice card. Super nice, huh? Time I got a couple cards that I don't really need. Love the scissors. They come in so much handy. So much in handy. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that. On the very back, we got a Nolan Ryan. Super nice. Oh, Jonathan Hernandez, rookie. We got a Jesus Luzardo, rookie. Oh, all rookies in this one. Trent Grissom, nice. And a Diamond King Ty Cobb. Super nice card there. These are really thick. And it's got his picture inside it. It's like a real frame. That is so nice. It's an actual frame. You can see the little pop out there. That's a super nice card. And then Nolan Ryan. That is super nice too. Wow, that would go great in my Nolan Ryan collection. So that was another awesome pack. Whole pack of keepers. Only 5 cards in a pack. Crazy. Oh, Aaron Judge on the back. We got Brock Burke, rookie, nice. Sheldon Noose, rookie, nice. Billy Williams. We got Charlie Keller, artist proof. Super nice card. And then we got the artist palette, Aaron Judge. That is a super cool card. Wow, so these are the first time I bought these. Like I said, I just seen them on the shelf. So new 2020 Diamond Kings. I don't know if you guys have got any yet, but just picked them up today, man. And I don't know, I might have to go back and get some more. These are pretty nice cards. What we got there? Otani, And we got an Anthony K. rookie, McKay, or Anthony K. Yeah. Rookie. Then we got Michael King rookie card, and it's an artist proof. Super nice. Who we got here? Larry Walker. Nice card. And I got the 3000 Cal Ripken. That is super nice card. 3000 Cal Ripken. Alright. I got 2 more packs for the first box here. I'm totally digging these cards. These are super cool. I have to say, these are probably my favorites right now. Just for the way they look. Super nice. What we got here? Jimmy Fox. Hey! Well, would you look at that? See, the camera goes out when I get a good card. We got another Mike Trout. I will take it. We got TJ Zoot rookie card. And then we got a Christian Yelich Gallery of Stars. Really nice card, too. Oops, always bumping the camera. Alright, guys, last pack for this first blaster. Today was a good day for Mike Trout, I should say. For me, anyways. Satchel Paige. Josh Altuve. Nice card there. Lewis Thorpe, rookie. And, oh, really nice Aaron Judge. So, not too bad for the first blaster. Not too bad. Got some pretty good cards. Rip this second blaster open. Next video, we're going to rip open. I got one box, big box. This is opening day 2020 Series 1. Give it a ring one time. Alright. 5 cards per pack. 7 packs. 35 chances to do good. Manny Machado. Tres Barrera. Trade Barrera. Rookie card. Hey, I'm about to send my bows off. Get him graded. I needed that one. That's a nice card. Oh, artist proof Lou Gehrig. Really nice. And then we got a Nap Lajoli. The 3000. Super nice. Alright. I got Bo Bichetti. Super sweet. Get it. Something big. Josh Bell, Johnny Bench. This is Brendan McKay, rookie. Nice. Fernando Tatis Jr. And a Bryce Harper, Galaxy of Stars. Alright. This card's cool. And Michael King rookie card. We had a Divide Grulon rookie. Bruce Dar Graterol. I'm not saying that right. What is this? Hank Greenberg. It's a framed card as well. Why is really nice card there. And then we got an Alex Bergman. This is a fancy card. Right there. Alright. I'll give you a bunch of junk in these packs. That's why there's only 5 cards in a pack. Because there's no junk. No fillers. Mookie Betts. Nice. Nolan Arenado. Nice. Who we got here? We got Munoz. Rookie card. Nice. Oh, look at that Nolan Ryan. Super sweet. And who we got there? Anthony Rendon in the zone. Super nice. Too bad I didn't get a Mike Trout in the zone. That would have been great. Alright. Justin Dunn rookie card. Got Churio. Well, would you look at that? I can't do any better than that. Pull a 2020 Ken Griffey Jr. card. Super nice, super nice. Tyrone Taylor rookie card. And oh, a really nice Justin Verlander. Sweet. Alright, got 2 more packs here, guys. 10 more cards. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. If you haven't hit that subscribe channel, make sure you hit that subscribe channel and turn on them bells notifications. Because what I do here is I rip, and I rip, and I rip. I love ripping. We got a real nice Cal Ripken. Cal Ripken for our ripping. Look at that. Ronald Acuna Jr. Boy, this is a good pack so far. Sam Crawford. Oh, and Nolan Ryan. Wow. Wow. Oh, would you look at that? Mike Trout. Did I pull that one already? I don't know if I did. I might have already. It might be 2 of them ones. I don't know. I'll have to look at them, but that's super nice there. That was a great pack. Oh, this pack feels thick. Uh-oh. It's the thickest pack that I've felt yet. It's the last pack. There'd be a big hidden here or something? Could I get lucky? Oh, there's something in here. There is something in here, guys. Ronald Bolanos, rookie. Michael Baez, rookie. Whit Merrifield. Here we go. It's a Sean Murphy. And what is it? It's a relic. And that is a super cool relic. Wow. That is a super, super cool card. Awesome. Awesome hit there. And last but not least, we got a Artist Palette Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Super, super nice pull off these. Of course, I've kept most of the pack. Just kind of do. We got Vladimir Guerrero, Michael Baez, Renard Bolanos, Sam Crawford, Justin Verlander, Tyrone Taylor, Justin Dunn, Anthony Rendon in the zone, Andres Munoz, Alex Bergman, Hank Greenberg, Brustal Graterol, Devi Grulon rookie, Michael King rookie. We got a Bryce Harper. We got a Nap LaJoie, the 3000, Lou Gehrig, Artist Proof, Trey Barrera, rookie, Aaron Judge, Louis Thrope, Satchel Paige. We got a Christian Yelich, Zooch, Jimmy Fox, Cal Ripken, the 3000, awesome card there. Larry Walker, Michael King, Artist Proof, rookie, Anthony K, Aaron Judge, Charlie Keller, Sheldon News, rookie, Brock Burke, rookie, Ty Cobb, framed card, super nice. Trent Grissom, rookie. Jesus Lazardo, rookie. Jonathan Hernandez, rookie. Got another Bryce Harper there. Domingo Libra. Matt Chapman in the zone, really nice. And a Juan Soto. I kept all those cards, and I got another little stack here that are my, to me, my bigger hits. Of course, we got that Sean Murphy double relic patch there, super nice. I'm really happy with that card there. Of course, again, we got another Mike Trout. That's an awesome card. Nolan Ryan, can you believe that? Like, I actually got some pretty good Nolan Ryans. We got a Ronald Acuna. That's the side. We'll get graded. Got Cal Ripken again. We got Ken Griffey again. Or not again, but we got Ken Griffey. Nice. Got Nolan Ryan again. It's 2 Nolan Ryan cards. Got a Brendan McKay. Bo Bichetti. We got another Mike Trout there. So we got 2 Mike Trouts out of this set. We got another Ryan. And then we got Ryan Sandberg twice, Pete Rose, and Cal Ripken. So what an awesome, awesome set here. If you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. I hope you enjoyed this break. I really like these cards. Definitely going to have to pick up some more. Guys, stay tuned. I'll be back with more videos, man. Thanks, guys, for watching the channel, and have a great night.